What if I told you that your green card renewal in 2025 could be denied for one tiny mistake? No second chances. No appeal. Just a flat rejection because of a wrong form page. USCIS is no longer treating renewals as routine. They've changed the rules, and in this video, I'll tell you exactly what's new, what to avoid, and how to protect your legal status in the US. So, stay with me, because what you don't know can cost you your green card. Hello everyone, and welcome back to TriPoint Report, your trusted source for real immigration news that actually matters. Today's topic is crucial for every green card holder: the latest changes to the green card renewal process as of mid-2025. USCIS has made several updates to Form I-90, the form used to renew or replace your green card. These aren't minor tweaks. These are strict changes that could lead to immediate rejection if you don't follow them carefully. Let's break it all down. The Form Addition Rule. Starting in June 2025, USCIS now only accepts Form I-90 additions dated January 20th, 2025. Any older addition, even if it's just one page out of date, will result in a full rejection of your application. Let me repeat that. If your form is mixed between two additions, or even one page is from an older version, your entire case will be denied. No warnings. No request for correction. Just a flat rejection. This is one of the biggest reasons applications are being returned this year. So here's your first takeaway. When renewing, make sure every single page, yes, every page, is downloaded fresh from the USCIS website. Don't use saved versions or older copies. Receipt notices and processing delays. Now here's a bit of good news, but with a catch. Once you file your I-90, your green card is automatically extended for 36 months. That means even if your card expires during processing, you're still considered a lawful permanent resident. But many applicants are waiting 5 to 7 weeks just to get the receipt notice that proves this. And that receipt? You'll need it too. Show your employer you're eligible to work. Travel abroad and re-enter the US. Renew your driver's license. So do not wait until the last minute. USCIS is slow, and missing a job offer or travel deadline over a delayed receipt is a real risk. Start the process at least 6 months before your card expires. Criminal history and past immigration. This next change is a big one, and it's catching people by surprise. USCIS is now deeply vetting your entire immigration and criminal history, even for a simple green card renewal. If you have any past arrests, charges, even dismissed ones, immigration violations, then your application might trigger a request for evidence or even a notice of intent to deny. We've seen real cases where people who got green cards through marriage years ago were suddenly asked to prove the legitimacy of that marriage during their renewal, not even at citizenship. This is serious. So if you've ever had a run-in with the law or past issues with immigration, talk to an attorney before filing your I-90. Don't treat this like a basic DMV form. It's more like reapplying for your status. Application rejections on the rise. Rejections are climbing, and it's not just because of background checks. More and more applications are being denied because they're incomplete, missing signatures, skipped questions, or forgotten documents. Here's what you absolutely must do. Use only the correct 2025 form edition. Fill out every section fully. Include all supporting documents. Sign everywhere required. Double-check everything before sending. And don't forget, update your address with USCIS within 10 days of moving. Failure to do so is a violation, even for green card holders. Why USCIS is doing this? Now you might be wondering, why so strict? The answer is backlogs. Green card renewals that once took 3 to 4 months are now taking up to a year. USCIS is tightening procedures not just to enforce rules, but to streamline the process by quickly rejecting incomplete or non-compliant applications. That's why they're being less forgiving. If your application isn't perfect, it's out. Summary and final thoughts. So, let's quickly recap. Always use the correct form edition. Submit a complete application with all pages and signatures. Expect delays of up to 7 weeks for receipt notices. File early, don't wait until your card expires. If you have any past legal or immigration issues, talk to a lawyer before filing. Your green card isn't just a plastic card, it's your ability to live, work, travel, and build a future in the US. So don't risk it by cutting corners. Thanks for watching TriPoint Report. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave your questions in the comments, and hit subscribe for more real updates on immigration news that actually affects your life. Stay informed, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.